Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Discord on iPhone. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up App Store and go to the search box and here search for Discord. Now tap on source button from keyword and now here you can see on topmost Discord app. Simply tap and get button in order to download it. Once you tap on it, it starts downloading. Now double click your iPhone right hand side button in order to install. Once you click button, it will give you this option, tap on install button and enter your Apple ID password. Once you're done entering your password, tap on sign in button. Now it starts downloading. Wait for a minute in order to download it. Now you can see that you have successfully downloaded it. In order to open, tap on open button. So this is how you can download Discord on iPhone. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.